Hey everyone, have you ever seen in movies when someone gets a dramatic envelope and immediately believes that police are coming for them? Let's talk about this. Well, in real life, that is not exactly how it works. Hi, this is Richa Sai, and you are watching Law Learning Bench videos. And today, we are going to break down the understanding of a very important but often misunderstood concept, the concept of legal notice. We will try to understand and break down this particular topic in very simple, practical, and clear manner for you. So, what exactly is a legal notice? Legal notice is basically a formal written communication from one party to another saying that I have a grievance. Something has happened with me which has caused me some loss or damage. And if you don't fix this, I might take legal action against you. So you can think of this legal notice as a last warning before going to the court. And no, receiving a legal notice doesn't really mean you are instantly in a legal trouble or that the police is knocking on your door. It is more like the first official step in resolving a dispute before reaching the court. Here is the interesting part about it. Anyone can send this legal notice. Yes, you heard it right. You can send it yourself, but usually it is sent through a lawyer. And the reason behind it? Because it looks more professional, follows the correct legal format, and clearly states your legal position before the other person. A proper legal notice is not just a random angry letter. It is usually including everything important which must be there as per the law. So, it always includes your story, a narrative of events and facts that led to the dispute. It also talks about the incident in detail, like exactly what happened and when, along with the legal grounds, all the laws or the legal principles that have been relied on. Apart from this, the legal notice also talks about the response time, which is usually 15 or 30 days to reply or fix the issue. Lastly, there is a clear warning provided through the instrument of legal notice that failure to comply will lead to formal legal proceedings. Now, if you are wondering how it is actually drafted, here is the typical flow for you to make you understand very easily. First of all, it is sent on the lawyer's letterhead, which includes date and recipient details at the top, along with the subject line legal notice, although you can miss it and it will be completely okay for the law. Apart from that, there is an intro where you talks about who you are and how you are connected to the recipient. And then you went into the body of the legal notice, which says about the detailed account of the facts, the legal basis, and your demands, including the warning of consequences if no action is taken by the other party. And lastly, the lawyer's signature. A legal notice is not just a paperwork. It is a powerful tool because it gives the other side a fair chance to resolve the issue, and it shows the court you tried your best to settle this matter before filing a case. And lastly, it becomes a part of the official record if things go to the trial. So the next time you hear someone say, I got a legal notice, remember, it is not a situation to be scared and it is not the end of the world. It is simply the first and very first move in the legal chase game. And if you ever need to send one, you now know the idea, the whole drafting, and everything about the legal notice. Make sure it is clear, factual, and properly drafted because your words on that particular paper could shape the entire case for you. Thank you so much.